Welcome. Welcome to Java Bootcamp. Bootcamps are always expensive in North America, especially. Just to attend a bootcamp for 3 months, it takes $10,000 to $30,000. Always expensive. But the bootcamp I'm running here is free. Anyone can join, anyone can learn, anyone can practice and get entry position in the software development and testing industry. Sounds great, right? In the last tutorial, we discussed about output, how we can print. Two ways we can do it. We can use either print method or println method. Okay, println method is always preferable because it gives output that is more readable. All right, today we are going to learn Java variables. Okay, you might ask question, do we need to create Java package every time we code? I'll say no. You can just drag and drop and put it inside Java Basic, okay, and just delete Java output package. That's very simple. Okay, now we can run it the same way we did before. Okay, nothing wrong. Now we are going to discuss about a very important concept in any programming language. Okay, in Java programming we have variables. Okay, I'll name it student. Name of the class is student. Okay, then check in public static void main. I showed you in the last video. If you forget to check in the main method, how we can get it. In short, just type main, press Ctrl spacebar, then press on enter. Okay, all right. Now what is variable? Variable is just a container, okay, that stores data. Very simple. Variable is nothing but a container or a box that stores data, stores information. Okay, now variable can be of different types. Okay, it can be string, and string stores text, sentence, words, or single word too. And we can use multi-line comments here, okay, with /* and //. It can be also variable that stores integer, stores whole numbers. Okay, integer means whole numbers, and in brief we use int. and it can be also floating number, that is called float. Stores fraction numbers, meaning floating points like 5.5, 5.5, 10.7, etc. And also variable can be character. In brief, we say char or char. Stores single character. Okay. And we have also boolean that stores boolean value. It can be true or false. Okay, so these are different types of variable. Okay, now how we create variable, that is very important. In every programming language has this concept, and you must understand it before you proceed further. Okay, to create variable, we must specify the type and assign it a value. Say for example, the syntax is grammar in programming language. Syntax will be type of var means variable, and you have to put variable name, var name. This is declaration. I declare this variable type is either string or integer or float or character or boolean. Okay, then I can say var name equal to, say for example, if it is string, name of anything. Okay, then semicolon. Remember, in Java programming, after every line of code we terminate the program, meaning we end and we tell the computer that I'm ending the line of code, and we call it termination, and we terminate with semicolon. Okay, now we can also declare, this is declaration, then define, meaning set the value of the variable. Okay, like this. So how we create variable, we can first say type of the variable. This variable is going to become string type, so I can say name equal to Ratan Raymond. Okay, Ratan Raymond. Now here is variable type. What type of variable it is going to be? It is going to be string, and name of the variable is name. Inside this variable we are storing a data, Ratan Raymond. We put it inside the inverted commas because it is string. Whenever we type or write or code or program with string, we enclosed it with double quotation. It can be also single. And now if we want to check the output, we can say seesaw control spacebar, and we are going to print the name, the variable, because we want to check what we have stored inside name variable. We know we stored Ratan Raman, okay, and the output will be Ratan Raman. Right button click and click on Java application, click on OK, Ratan Raman. Okay, and now we are going to create another variable, and we are telling what type of variable it will be. It will be int, means integer. Integer is whole number. Okay, and I say age. I just declare, then define age as 23. Okay, now this is variable age. Inside the age variable we are storing 23, and the variable type is integer. Okay, now I just copy it and going to print, okay, age, and whatever we store inside the age variable, age container, age is just like box, okay, variable is nothing but a container or box where we can store data. I stored 23, it's a data inside age, and now I'm opening the age and find whatever inside the age we store. We store 23, and inside the name we store Ratan Raman. Okay, fantastic. Even I can say int x equal to 1000 and int y equal to 100, and I can say int z equal to x plus y. Okay, and I can also print the output. Just type seesaw control spacebar, and I want to print x, and I want to print the output of y and also z. Say for example, so y and z. Now let's see the output. Not only from here we can execute or run the program, we can also run the program from this run button. Okay, run is Java application. Not only that, third way we can run from here. Okay, I can click on this drop down and click by name of the class is student, right? Click and here. And not only that, fourth way we can execute, just click on student, then right click and run as Java application. So four way we can run our Java program. Okay, now not only integer we are writing or using, we will be using boolean, we will be using float, we will be using char, some pronounce it as char. Okay, no problem with it. All right, so we learned so far about variables. Variables are nothing but containers that store data. And variable can be of different types. It can be string, it can be integer, it can be float, it can be char or char, it can be boolean, okay, even it can be double. All right, it can be double. I'm not going to make this video a longer. I want to keep all the videos short, but after 5 classes I will recap everything, and that video will be going to be of an hour. All right, so recap or revise video tutorials will be longer because we will be revising everything we learned before. Okay, but every topic I want to keep short, within 10 to 20 minutes, not more than 21 minutes. Okay, and keep it short and concise, also sweet. All right, we learned variable, very important concept in any programming language. If you want to move further, you must learn what is variable, how we can create variable, and you must clear the concept. Okay, or if you just keep going, it might be a disaster. You might lose learning interests in learning Java. Okay, so thank you very much. If you are in this YouTube channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel so that whenever I upload a new video, you can get at least a notification. Thank you so much. See you in the next session.